Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Leos. This is for your daily energy, Leos. This is for your career situation. This is for your love reading, and one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that is a general Oracle Guidance card. This is the card here. I leave it here, guys. So we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys, Leos, for your general reading. It's 7 of Cups in reverse. So with this card in our situation today, guys, we are definitely progressing towards success in our life, maybe in some projects or something that we want in life. We are seeing success in that path. So it may be in our career, or it may be in our personal life, something which we love, something which we have that determination to see success. So whatever we are working towards, making efforts, we are seeing success. That is what this card is about, guys, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for our career situation, guys. It is 6 of Pentacles. So with this card in your career situation, you are seeing that things are going in a positive way, maybe because there are people helping you in your career, guys. You have a team of people who have that good intentions and intention to support you, and the same way they are also working towards their dreams, taking your help. So there is that interdependency and teamwork in your career situation, guys. So that is the reason for success today, guys. That is what I see with this card here. So what is the card for your relationship? It is 10 of Cups. So this may relate to what your person feels about this connection, or what you feel about this connection, guys. So this may mean that you may not have that truthful understanding with this person, guys. So what this person is telling you may not be the whole truth. They are hiding something for sure. They have something they feel really sorry about that they cannot tell you, something they want to hide, maybe because they do not want to stress you, guys. That may be the reason. So they don't want to tell the truth today. So maybe it may be love. That may be the reason that they are hiding this truth from you. They cannot see you stressing because of this secret being revealed. So that is also what I see with this card, guys, and that is the daily reading, Leos, for your Oracle guidance. Let us see. Offend. So this is the Oracle's guidance, guys. So it may be something, some questions. It may be regarding some questions we have in our life. So what we need to do today. So if we follow this guidance, it will make our day go in a much more harmonious way. So we need to listen to this guidance, guys. What is the guidance for us today? So this just means that there is an uncertainty in our position today, a sense of loss, or sense of loss of identity in our situation. So the same way in our personal life situation, when we feel that this person we are in relationship with, we do not share that understanding, we may be disappointed or hurt by that person. We may be drifting away from this relationship. It just means that each and every one of us, we are in a different phase of personal growth, guys. That may be the reason that we don't share that great understanding with this person. So we are in a different phase, they are in a different phase of growth in this connection, and we are discovering that we do not share the same values and beliefs. So we may feel left out. So we need to understand that this is not the time to compromise ourselves to belong to this connection, guys. It will not be worth the price. So we have to understand that that is what this card is about. So you do not you should not fear that we will lose this person, and we will lose we should not feel threatened, guys. That is what I see. So we have to heal from this situation, and maybe this relationship is not meant to be, but there will be a better connection we may be able to get in future, guys. So we have to have hope in our situation, the same way in our career situation also. When we know what you need to do, maybe we have to have that truthful intentions. What is our work, what is our job, so what we need to do, what are our achievements, what are our goals. When you know that and when you stick to that, you will be able to reach success, guys. Have that authenticity, you will be able to shine, and you will reach prosperity in your life, Leos. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for today, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.